Hello everybody, welcome to Ruby Falcon. Today we're going to be making roasted artichoke hearts with spicy mayo. This is a delicious dish that can be used either as a side or as an appetizer. Let's take a look at what we need to make it, alright? To make roasted artichoke hearts with spicy mayo, you're going to need 1 can of artichoke hearts, that's about 400 milliliters. You're going to need a batter made of 2 tablespoons, that's 30 milliliters of flour, and 3 tablespoons, that's 45 milliliters of milk. You're going to need 3 tablespoons, that's 45 milliliters of breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons, that's 30 milliliters of mayonnaise, the juice from a quarter of a lime, salt, pepper, garlic, paprika, and crushed red pepper flakes. You can find instructions on how to make the batter in my basics batter video. Make sure to drain all the liquid from the canned artichoke hearts before proceeding. Slice the artichoke hearts in half. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In a bowl, combine your breadcrumbs, salt, pepper, garlic, and paprika. Mix it all together. For each of your artichoke heart halves, repeat the following. Coat in batter, roll in breadcrumbs, and place on the baking sheet. Roast the artichoke hearts in your 400 degree oven for 30 minutes. While the artichoke hearts are roasting, you can add your 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise to a bowl. Add the juice from your quarter lime. Mix it together. Add pepper, and crushed red pepper flakes, just a few, and mix. Keep your spicy mayonnaise chilled until you're just about ready to serve the artichoke hearts. I find it doesn't keep its thickness if you allow it to warm up to room temperature. I'll see you when the artichoke hearts are done. Alright, the artichoke hearts have been in the oven for about 30 minutes. Let's take them out. And I'm going to serve them in a bowl. You can serve the spicy mayo either as a dip or drizzled over the artichoke hearts. Today I'm serving my roasted artichoke hearts with spicy mayo with a crispy duck breast and spaghetti squash. And there you have it, roasted artichoke hearts with spicy mayo. I hope you enjoyed as much as I do. If you enjoyed this, you can click up here to subscribe, and down here is something that the algorithmic overlords at YouTube think that you'll enjoy for my channel. If it catches your fancy, go ahead and click on it. I'll see you next time.